Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Hello VWAP indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Hello VWAP indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested a total of 21 different strategies with a total of 4 different winners. We have also tested a total of 363 indicators with a total of 146 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 146 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the Hello VWAP indicator. You can see it here on screen. Basically, it is the VWAP indicator that is calculated off of, I believe, another moving average. I think maybe a smooth moving average. I forget off the top of my head. But basically, it's instead of being calculated off of price action, it's pulling its source from another indicator, basically. And so the setup on this is relatively easy. We've done this with many other moving averages. This one does not have the ability to change the period, and so it is stuck on this period. As far as I know, I did look at it, and yeah, that's what I thought. It is stuck on this particular period, which typically that's not a great sign for an indicator, but let's put it to the test and see what we can do. We're looking for a price action break of this, just like we have with all the other moving averages that we have tested, or single line that interact with price action. So when price action breaks up above, we're going to go long. When it breaks down below, we're going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing here and see what we can get out of this. So we barely missed the break to the downside right there on that one. Looks like we get really close over here. Let's just double check where we're at. Close of this is 86.00, and the moving average, you can see the coordinates over here. That is at 86.04. So had not crossed to the upside on that particular case, but we did get a cross to the upside right here. And that one's going to get us to take profit. And then we pick up a cross to the downside right here. That one is also going to get us to take profit. Actually, let's just double checking that this little green bar right here didn't actually come up and close back above. It did not. So we were good there. Short signal, short trade right there got us to take profit. We then pick up a long over here on this side. And we once again got to take profit. So we're doing pretty good. Now we did get this one right here, which is a little bit of an anomaly. So what happened was we had a split from one week to another week. And when this week opened over here, it gapped down underneath this moving average. It then broke to the upside right there. And that one also got us to take profit. So then we pick up a short right here on this side. And once again, we get to take profit. So not too bad. We haven't hit it a lot of chop at the moment yet. A whole lot of consolidation. That's normally where moving averages or single line indicators that interact with price action start to go really bad. And so right here, we pick up a cross to the upside and then immediately breaks down to the other side, the short side here. Let's see here. When it broke down to the side, looks like we did get a pullback to our stop right there. And so we picked up two stops kind of back to back right there. So not wonderful on that one. Then we pick up a long over here on this side, and that one does get us to take profit. Go ahead and continue on here. Let's check this. So we are at 78.40 was where the VWAP was, and the close of this was at 78.46, which means we did not get the break to the downside right there. We did get a break right there on that one, and we did get to take profit there. Then we pull up over here on this side. We get a break to the upside, and it looks like almost immediately, yep, we pick up a close to the downside right there on that one. And here's a moment of consolidation. Then we get a pop back up to the upside and stopped out almost immediately over here to the downside. That one looks like it's going to get us to take profit, though. Let's just measure that out. Yes, it sure did. Right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out some of the video here. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this back up when we're closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we count these out, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it'll give you access to the Patreon-only channel, where we are posting some really good advanced information about trading, trading strategies, trading indicators, and so on. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, then that would be a helpful list for you to have. Our regular members and admins are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of areas where they have marked out support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really, really quickly with the information that they're putting out there for everyone to see. So if you're looking to train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions or dial in a trading strategy, that is, again, a wonderful piece of information, wonderful information for you to have. Lastly, one thing that we've been doing recently is I've put together a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so I'm passing that on to all the patrons. as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested with their win rates and which ones were losers, which ones were winners. Same way with the Excel sheet and the strategies have their win rates, which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and links to the video so that way you can go back and review those. So again, really great stuff for really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. All right, so let's go back here and get all this in focus, and we will count these out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So 16 different trades altogether, and we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. So that was really decent for a moving average. I think this one might, I don't remember off the top of my head, but might be the best moving average that we have tested so far. I'd have to go back and confirm that, but if not, it's really, really close. So typically moving averages do quite poorly, believe it or not. And so, yeah, this one's not too bad. It'll definitely go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.